Okay, well, no! No! Oh, the speed pad and the jump pad couldn't help me. Oh well. Thanks for watching this episode of Combo Panda Combo Crew. If you had fun, be sure to smash that like button or hit that subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber. Don't forget to leave a comment telling me other Roblox games that I should play. And for now, this has been virtual YouTuber Combo Panda signing off. Bye! Alright, that's gonna be it for now. I'll catch you later, Combo Crew. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more.